left. Blaze on the right. 2 rounds. Poppin down, what up? There you go, crowd. Pass it up. We got Blaze. Y'all make some noise for that battle. Before I announce the winner of the crowd, y'all are killing me. I just saw him do some amazing stuff. This man nearly popped his arm out of socket on beat. I guess, unless he's, I don't know, unless he has his baby on beat, I guess the crowd won't be impressed. Yo, make some noise for these dancers. No, don't do it now. Don't do it now. Wait till they dance. All right, here we go. Judges, y'all ready? 1, 2, 3. The winner is Al. Poppin Al, y'all. That was a close one. Make some noise for Blaze, y'all. All right, I need Faceless and Rheumatic.